Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be making a delicious, tasty Mojo chicken. Alright guys, so once we get a nice, grill mark, you just want to go ahead and remove it from the direct heat. Put them on top. And we're just going to allow these chicken to slow cook. Alright guys, please don't forget to leave a comment, like my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching guys. Hey guys, so my Mojo chicken is ready. It's good to go. Just took it off the grill, and here I have some grilled pineapple, grilled bell peppers, onions, along with the marinade that we made earlier. And now you just want to mix everything together before we go ahead and put it on the plate.